Good day everyone and welcome to the OneSolve YouTube channel. You are here with Yashin from Modern OneSolve, and for today's session I'm going to showcase how to use the combine tool. So what we have on screen is a plank of wood, or what would be a plank of wood, with dovetail cutouts, and what we'd like to do is model another feature with those exact same cutouts. So if you have a look, what I'm first going to do is run an extrude, and that extrude will go to the same height and select OK. What you'll notice is we've completely lost those cutouts. It's combined my extrusion 1 feature together along with my extrusion 4. So we've actually lost that additional detail by using a standard extrude. Now the first step in using the combine is of course having two separate solids. The combine tool allows you to model different solid bodies against each other, good for complex part modeling or multi-solid part modeling. In this case, what I'm going to do is just delete that extrusion 4 and run it once again. However, in this case, what I'm going to do is actually use this option here as an output under our Boolean options, and that will be to create a new solid body out of this feature. You'll see it highlights blue, and when I select OK, what Inventor is going to do is transform that extrusion 5 into a separate solid body. How do I know this? If I scroll all the way up my model browser, you'll notice there are two solid bodies. Dovetail side 1, which was the first extrusion created, and the second one is solid 2. I can then go name this dovetail side 2, and what you'll notice is if I toggle off the visibility of the first dovetail cutout, we have the second feature. Okay, and I can simply toggle the visibility back on and turn off the visibility of the newly created plank that we've made, and we still have those cutouts. So essentially what we can do is use the first solid, dovetail side 1, to actually model the second solid. Okay, so this becomes a modeling tool because there are now two separate bodies, and this is where the combine function comes in handy. So how this works is I simply have to activate the tool from my ribbon, select combine. It's going to ask you to choose your base body, so that's the body actually having the work applied to it, which is the plank without the cutouts. The next is choosing your tool body. Okay, what is going to be doing the work, and that's going to be the first solid, and we are good to go. Once we have made those selections, you have Boolean outputs, very similar to your extrude. We can combine or join these two elements or separate solids together, or alternatively we can use the one to shape the other by toggling on the cut. So what's going to happen over here, our tool body, the one with the dovetail cutouts, is actually going to shape our second solid. Once we select OK, you'll notice there we go, we have our cut. So we've used the first solid to shape the second, and that's exactly how we use the combine tool. For more information on multi-solid part modeling, give us a shout and stay tuned to our YouTube channel for more content. Hope you enjoyed the session.